Rahul not. You have been observer there.
No Congress party.
Satish.
This is the direction that has been there. So I don't know why BJP is such a big hurry for 2-3 states. And any government should have a strong opposition. It is not right, and the democratic values with such type of austerity, someday it will boomerang. So it is a very bad precedent which is going on in this country. Anyway, I am confident that all our legislators will be very loyal to the party who has been elected.
Did you have any word with them, sir? Because they are.
I'm just going there. A team is going there, not me alone. Team is going there.
So the Himachal.
State needs DK Shivakumar.
No.
So the Himachal. Sir. One.
ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.